it tastes like Jack when I'm kissing him. So I told him that I never really liked his friends. Now he's gone and he's calling me a bitch again. It's a guy that lives in a garden state, and he told me that we make it to...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do this Valentine's Day look for all of you that are gonna go on dates with your hunties. What is this like? I did a halo eye for the first time and I think I did pretty good, except for this eye that I did. It's like the eye that I demonstrated for you guys just didn't want to work out for me, but this one, she looked good. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it gives you some inspiration for Valentine's Day. And yes, and here's the video. I should be talking for this. So anyways, I use a Jaclyn Hill palette first, and then after I put that in my crease, that one color, I'll put the color here. They don't have the names on there. And I picked up my Maybelline Renaissance, and I'm gonna put red ochre as well with the same Morphe M330 into my crease as well, and build up that color. And also in the corner, I like to like V-shape it for my hooded eyes. Like it helps kind of, a lot of people say that they like to round their eye when they're doing their hooded eyes. And like I am doing that in the crease. But as well as that, I want to, well, I brought it way too far in right there. I also want to like kind of wing it here. So lift up my eye a bit. Okay. I also use my color switch to help me get all like extra color off there if I don't want it on there. And then after that, I'm going to take my Morphe M154. That's what the brush looks like. And put that in my color switch. Switch. I don't even know what it is. And then I'm going to put this into Love Letter right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease and my outer V. So starting here, right there, I'm gonna bring it in. The one thing I hate about this eye specifically is that there's always skidding right here. I don't know if y'all see that. Right there. I hate it. Remember maybe coming in. This may be a thing. Think she's here. And just blend it in. Ooh. And right here, specifically, try to get that skid mark away. I hate that it does that. I don't know why it does, but it does. What's up, Chanel?
Hello.
You want to say hi to my...
Hey, how y'all doing?
I can't stand you. Now, what we're going to do is I did this halo eye. So there's this woman named Stacy Marie MUA, I think. I'll put her Instagram right here. And like she did this technique and I like loved it. And I love like cut creases for hooded eyes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do my first halo eye, and I think I did pretty good, y'all. Look at it. So we're gonna get Tarte Shape Tape, and this is Tan Sand. I'm gonna get the Morphe M421, and I'm going to carve out the middle of my crease to make the halo. If that makes any sense for y'all. So here it is. Just getting a little on my brush, and you want to be very precise and careful with this. Okay, y'all. Okay. And because my eye is hooded, I'm gonna keep doing this with the concealer until I can see it on the top of this like crease lid space thing. So it needs to be like that. You need to be able to see it like that when you close your eye. You can still see it. You see that? Okay. And then at this part, you need to make a very precise little oval circle shapey thing. Okay. I'm a horrible explainer, I swear to God. That is good. Let that dry. Now, you're gonna take this cup. Wait, hold up. Wait. Oh, damn, I messed up already. Oh my gosh. I can't even right now. So before I put this concealer on, I put this all over my eyelid, the Venetian red. But since I didn't do that, it's okay. I can put it on the sides, but make sure you do that beforehand. I done effed up. So for now, we're gonna put Vermeer in the center of, on top of the concealer that we carved our eye out with. Okay, and now taking this little brush, it's all over shadow brush by Sephora. I'm gonna take a mix of Venetian red and red ochre. Oh wait, no. Venetian red and red ochre right here, and put it on the side to blend out the edges of that highlight color. Okay. And then taking my Casino Professional DW, which are Demi Wispy lashes, I'm gonna put these on like I did on this one. Oh, so pretty. I think you. Hopefully this don't take forever because I suck at lashes. And this is the look. I hope you guys like it. My highlight is popping. Face beat. Chanel told me that it looks good, so that's what matters.
They do.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more of these videos, let me know. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.